It's A to Z related videos on your from this channel. So I'm share with you some ideas how to make faceless video on your camera like Facebook, social media, and Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, any social IDs or social medias. You can upload it without face, you know. So I will some tips for you, special for you, and so that subscribe our channel, click the bell icon, Tech TV. You can get A to Z latest technology related videos from this channel, guys. So can you make a faceless video easily? Well, definitely you can make. Oh, please, and just listen these ideas and provide you and some information tips, useful tips, special for you. Okay, please attend it. So, tips number one, you can proper voice over and you can record voice. You know, you can proper voice and you can use any voice recorder app easily well, and you can proper record the voice. Then you can show shorts any contents from pixel.com website. You can get free video clips. You can download. You can use on your videos. So the first you have to record proper and voice record, proper voice records, and you have to clear well voice record. So and then you can edit and publish any social media like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, etc. So face less video easily well. Okay, tips number two, you can make, first of all, you have to skill, so video editing, so you can search it, Play Store, and BBM, KineMaster, CapCut, so Insta, and InShot, anyone video editor. And first of all you have to video editing skill, then you can easily well make faceless video. From this you can make on your publish, you can publish on your anyone social media. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel, click the bell icon, you will get all technology latest useful video from this channel. And have a good day. Bye bye, see you again.